Hey there, welcome to Brain Tech. I'm Darley, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Apple Vision Pro. So recently, Apple announced the Apple Vision Pro. And while a lot of people are really excited about the release, it might not be everything you hoped for. Let's talk about it. First and foremost, let's talk about what the Apple Vision Pro really is. It's a mixed reality headset that promises to combine the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. It boasts advanced sensors, high-resolution displays, and an immersive audio experience. But there's the thing. While it undoubtedly offers some very intriguing features, it falls short of being the true future of virtual or mixed reality. The Apple Vision Pro is bound by certain limitations. Its bulky design and weight can make it uncomfortable for extended use. Additionally, the high price tag may deter many potential buyers, restricting its accessibility to a limited audience. Moreover, the device's battery life is a huge concern, as it may struggle to keep up with demanding mixed reality experiences. But let's not forget what Apple is really aiming to achieve with the Vision Pro. The company has a history of using its products to expand its ecosystem. Just like the iPhone revolutionized the smartphone industry, Apple intends to make the Vision Pro an integral part of their ecosystem. They want users to be immersed in the Apple world where they can seamlessly integrate their devices, their software, their services, and everything else related to Apple. Picture this, you are in the Apple Vision Pro interacting with augmented reality apps that enhance your daily life, seamlessly synchronizing with your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple envisions the Vision Pro to become the gateway to their ecosystem, where users rely on a suite of Apple services like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and even Apple Fitness Plus. It's all about creating a comprehensive and unified Apple experience. So while the Apple Vision Pro might not be a huge groundbreaking leap into the future of virtual reality like many people expected, it is undoubtedly a strategic move by Apple to further solidify the product ecosystem. They want to create an interconnected world where you're seamlessly immersed in their digital realm. And that's about what I have to say for now. What are your thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro? Are you excited about its potential integration with the Apple ecosystem? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for some amazing videos coming your way soon. Hit the bell button so you get notifications whenever I post. Check out some of my other videos. I look forward to some amazing videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.